Alright, yeah, final video on this one. As we do the repair, Frank's got the domes done now, all sealed up. You see the paint, the epoxy, so they're all protected now. This one here is where the weld there's got to stay down there because Hilton's still got to put a floor through there yet. The floor joist coming through, same with that one. You see where the holes are for the timber for the floor. That's going through. So all sealed up so water doesn't get to them anymore, which is good. And of course the inspection, the one we had a look at, which is that one, all domed up. So yeah, all looking good, cleaned up, and yeah, looking great. Okay, that's all I can do there to show you on that, but we've finished that, and yeah, it's all sealed up, all painted as you've seen as we went through all the stages, and now sealed, which is great. Okay, I've got very little to say on that. We're finished. We're done. We're heading home. Okay, thanks guys. See ya.